everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix faulty mic or audio issues on Counter-Strike 2. So let's begin. So here we are in Counter-Strike 2, and the first thing that we need to do to fix this issue is go into your settings. Right here, click on it on the top left, and then from here you want to go into audio and go into audio right here. So once you are here in the audio, is that you want to make sure that you have the correct audio device that you are using. So if you're using an earphone or a speaker, headphone, or whatsoever, you would need to select it right here. So make sure that you are currently selecting the correct one that you want to use. And after that, then you can just set your volume. So if you're facing a volume related issue, then you can just adjust it right here and make sure that you have this turned up right here up to 100% right there. And if you're wondering if where you can select the device for your mic, then it would be later on in this video I will show you. And yeah, just for this one right here, I also advise that you be mindful of enable voice feature right here. So if you're wondering why you can speak to your teammates, even if you're speaking, you would need to press a button in order for you to enable your mic. So yeah, it will be right here. So now we're done with the settings right here in the in-game. So we're now gonna go into our desktop. Let's just close this right here. So from here, what we're gonna do first is that we are going to go into our device manager. Right here, device manager, and from here we want to make sure that all of our device drivers are updated. So we're gonna go into audio inputs and outputs and make sure that the microphones and the speakers that you are currently using is currently updated. So currently I am using this one, so I'm gonna update the driver for this and search automatically, and as you can see, it's already the best driver, so I don't have to do anything. And then for my speaker, I also need to update it, and it's also the best driver, so I don't have to do anything. So now what we're gonna do is, this is a really important step. This is for the microphone. So we're gonna go into our sound settings here in our start menu, type sounds, and you would have the sound settings right here in the system settings. And from here, you want to make sure that you are currently choosing the correct input for your microphone right here. And as you can see, I'm currently using this mic. And for your output, this is just the speaker. So yeah, it's basically the same in the in-game. So make sure you have your microphone right here. And also, you would also want to go and disable other microphones if you have one, because that might interrupt and jam up the connectivity of your microphone, and that would result to errors that might be the reason that you are not being able to use your microphone to the fullest, or you're having some errors because of that. And to disable that, you can go into manage sound devices, and from here I can see a lot of microphones right here, and I can disable some of it and leave the one that I'm using enabled, so that I can make sure that that is not the reason. And then you can go back right there. And yeah, if you have done all the steps that I have told you and still it's not working, then what I suggest is, if you are using a USB connection to your microphone to your PC, is that I recommend that you switch it up into other USB slots, just in case that you are currently using the faulty USB slot in your system unit. So just plug it in different slots and see if that works for you. And after all you have done, if you have done all of this, then I suggest that you restart your computer and see if the problem is fixed. Because sometimes just a simple restart would do to fix your problem. And once you've done all of this, and yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.